In my last video, we went on a musical journey together and created this instrumental Christmas track. Today, I want to create some kind of visual to go together with the music when I upload it to YouTube. So I'm going to create a thumbnail, but I don't want it to be a static thumbnail. I want to have some kind of animation inside. If you're interested in seeing how I do that, let's go. So first we want to go to freepik.com. We're going to use their AI image generator. You can find it here or in the menu here. Now, to be honest, I don't really have an idea yet, so I'm just gonna write deck the halls and see what comes up. I like the warm atmosphere and the fact that it's an illustration and not a real photo, but still it's not what I'm looking for, so I'll try again. No, that's still not it. Let me change to decorating for Christmas. Yeah, that looks better, but still, let me try again. No. Let me try Santa hanging a wreath, magical setting. Yes. This can work. I'm going to download it and open it in Photoshop. Yep, Photoshop. Okay, so first I want to add a big title and I want it to be curved. So I'm just gonna draw this big ellipse, center it, and use the text tool to write on the ellipse, deck the halls. I'll scale it up, yep, and move it to be in place. I can scale it up even more. Yes. And now I can get rid of this ellipse, reposition it. Great! What I want to do now is move the text behind Santa, but in front of the background. So we'll get 3 layers: background, text, Santa. This will create an illusion of a 3D environment. And in order to do that, I need to take Santa out of the background. And this used to be a real pain in the ass in Photoshop up until a few months ago. But today, all we need to do is press this button here, remove background, and bam! No background. It didn't do a great job because it cut off one of his arms, but it's fine because we don't need that part, we just need the head area. Now I can duplicate this layer and remove the mask from the bottom layer. So now we have the background and we have Santa. Let's bring up the text, move it behind Santa, and that's it. I want to add a small sticker on the bottom right side that says instrumental version. And to do that, I'll go back to freepik.com. I'll search for a round red sticker. This one looks good. I'll take it to Photoshop. Yep, Photoshop. Remove the background and position it right here. Now I want to add the text, scale it down, position it. I want to delete the small part of the end that sticks out so it will look like it's behind the fold. Now I want to create a shadow. I'm just gonna draw this black soft line and move it behind the sticker, change the opacity. We have a shadow. Looks good to me and I'm ready to animate it. In order to animate it, I'm going to export each layer on its own on a transparent background. So we'll have 4 layers: Santa, text, sticker, and background. And I'm going to do that inside of After Effects. Inside of After Effects, let me open a new composition, import the layers, and rearrange them. Thinking about it, I don't really want to animate any of the layers that I already have. I just want to add snow to the scene. So I'm going to keep Santa, the text and the background in the background, and I'm going to add snow. The only separation that I'm going to make is to keep the sticker in front of everything, so the snow will fall behind the sticker. And I can create snow inside of After Effects, but there's an easier way because I can just download it from my website. So let's do that. By the way, everything you find on my website is free. You can find animations or background music, anything you need, just download it. You don't have to pay anything. I'm adding the snow to After Effects. As you can see, we have a green screen. We need to get rid of it. So we'll just look for key light effect. We'll throw it on the layer, choose the green color, and it goes away. Now we have snow, but it's falling also on the sticker. So let's move the sticker to the top. Now it's falling behind the sticker. Let me duplicate the snow, add the music, and there you have it. Thanks for sticking around. If you want to see how I created this music, just click here. Have a Merry Christmas and see you in my next video.